Hey there, Robot Articles fans! Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic, paid traffic versus organic traffic. Ever wondered what makes them different and how search engines like Google handle it all? Well, you're about to find out. Plus, I've got something awesome to show you, our brand new keyword tool. It's like a secret weapon for ranking faster in searches. But first, let's break down what a search engine is and how it actually works. So, Google, you've probably heard of it, right? It's like the big boss of search engines. Picture little bots called crawlers roaming the internet, checking out every website they can find. These crawlers are like super workers, scanning your content and checking links to see if everything's in order. Once they've done their job, your page gets indexed in a massive database. Think of it like getting your name on the list at the coolest party in town. But here's the thing, getting your page indexed is just the beginning. The real magic happens when your content starts climbing up the search results. Now, there are two ways to make that happen. You can either pay a search engine to put you at the top and end up paying per click on your ads. Those are the sponsored links you see in the searches. Or you can play the game with something called search engine optimization, or SEO for short. But why bother with all this ranking stuff? Well, think about it. If you're selling sports shoes, wouldn't you want to be the first thing people see when they search for them online? Sure, ranking for popular keywords is awesome, but it's tough competition out there. That's where our keyword tool comes in handy. It helps you find those hidden gems, keywords that still get traffic but aren't as crowded. For example, you may want your readers to come to your blog when they type specific keywords. Our tools will automatically give you a list of ideas and initiate a competitive search to let you know if a keyword is easy to rank for and if there's a bit of traffic coming too. As soon as you find those little gems, write all your content around that keyword and let the magic happen. People will come to read your content, click on your affiliate links, and money will start rolling. Imagine having tons of articles, each bringing in a steady stream of readers over the month or even years. That's the power of niche keywords. So, get ready to level up your SEO game with our tools. Trust me, they're gonna change the way you do business online. Stay tuned for more exciting tech tips from robotarticles.com. But for now, let's focus on how our magic tools can supercharge your online presence. Watch the next videos to learn more about how the web works through robotarticles.com.